In today's video, I am going to teach you how to include command in Mailerlite. We will be working inside the Mailerlite drag-and-drop email editor, and the goal is to add a field command into a text area of your campaign. A field command is commonly used when you want Mailerlite to insert subscriber-specific information into your email. For example, it can help personalize a message by pulling in details from a subscriber field. The exact fields available may depend on what is already set up in your Mailerlite account. But the process for adding the command is simple. To begin, open your campaign draft in the Mailerlite drag-and-drop editor. This means you should already have a campaign created and be viewing the email design screen where you can edit the content blocks. If your campaign is still in draft mode, that is the right place to be. The drag-and-drop editor is where you can adjust text, images, buttons, spacing, and other email layout elements. Once the editor is open, take a moment to look at the email layout on the screen. You should see the content blocks that make up your message. These blocks may include headings, paragraphs, images, buttons, or other design elements. For this tutorial, we are focusing only on a text block because the personalization command needs to be placed inside editable text. Next, click inside a text block. Choose the section of your email where you want the command to appear. This could be in the greeting, in the body of the email, or anywhere else that text can be edited. When you click inside the text block, the editor should activate that text area. You may see a cursor appear inside the text, and a formatting toolbar should become available. This toolbar is important because it gives you access to text editing tools. It may include options for changing the font style, adjusting alignment, adding links, or applying other formatting. For this specific task, you are looking for the personalization option, which is represented by a symbol that looks like a $ inside curly brackets. Now click the personalization button in the formatting toolbar. The button is usually shown as the symbol with curly brackets and a $. This is the tool Mailerlite uses to insert personalization fields and field commands into your email content. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu with available options. After you click the personalization button, pause for a moment and review the drop-down menu that appears. This menu contains the field commands that can be inserted into your message. These commands are placeholders. When the email is sent, Mailerlite can replace the placeholder with the matching subscriber information depending on the selected field and the information available for each subscriber. Now, select a field command from the drop-down menu. Choose the command that matches the type of personalization you want to include in your message. Once selected, the command will be added into the text block at the position of your cursor. That is why it is helpful to click exactly where you want the command to appear before opening the personalization menu. After the command is inserted, you can continue editing the surrounding text if needed. For example, you may place the command within a sentence, so the email reads naturally when the subscriber receives it. The key is to make sure the command stays in the correct location and remains formatted as Mailerlite inserts it. That is the basic process for including a field command in Mailerlite. Open your campaign draft in the drag-and-drop editor. Click inside a text block, use the personalization button in the formatting toolbar, and then select the field command from the drop-down menu. That covers everything you need to know.